Hello, good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and enjoying the online class from your home. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja Digital Classes. Subject EVS. Topic Good Citizens. Be good, stay safe, live healthy. Class 3rd Standard. Dear students, in today's class, let us know about good citizens. Be good, stay safe, live healthy. Remember, good children do not break rules. Rules are good for all of us. Some of the rules we can follow at home, at school, and on the road. At home, children, keep your room tidy. Do not litter the house with socks, shoes, toys, and paper. You should go to the dining table as soon as food was served. Wash your mouth after every meal. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Do not open the door for strangers. Do not play with soap in the bathroom. Use dustbin for rubbish. Do not talk with food in full mouth. Switch off fans and lights while leaving room. Visit parents and all visitors and helpers you saw. Do not play in or near the kitchen. At school, visit all the teachers, helpers, drivers, and conductors. Be punctual. Be polite to everyone. Do not write on the walls, poles, and tree trunks. Keep the classroom tidy. Do not use bad words while talking. Do not slide down the banisters. Be careful while using knife and scissor for craft work. Wear neat and clean uniform. Do not jump the queue. Do not run or scream in the corridors and on the stairs. Remember, good children do not break rules. Rules are good for all of us. On the road, do not stick hand or head out of car or school bus. Do not tease stray animals. Do not play on the footpath and on the roads. Be always alert on the road. Help old people to cross the road. Use the seat belt in the car. Follow traffic rules. Do not run across the road. Cross roads on the zebra crossing only. Once again, good children do not break rules. Rules are good for all of us. Moving around communication. Listen, children. If you want to go from place to place, what will you take? S. Transport. What is transport? Taking people and things from one place to another. The vehicles used for this purpose are known as means of transport. There are three types of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Vehicle. Vehicle is a machine, usually with wheels and an engine, used for transporting people or goods, especially on land. The means of transport we use depend upon the distance of the place we have to travel, the time we have, the money we can spend, where the place is located, etc. After all, We cannot take a land transport if we have to go to an island. Listen children, a meter. Meter measures distance and shows the fare. We pay by meter when we travel by taxis and auto rickshaws. But we buy tickets when we travel by public transport like bus, train or aeroplane. We are human beings, are social animals. We have to communicate our thoughts, feelings, ideas, news, etc. to each other. That is known as communication. Communication, a way of sending news and messages to people even if we do not meet them. When we need to convey something to someone, we can do any of these things. Physically, go and meet the person face to face. Send messages, SMS, mobile, letters, cards, etc. Call the person on mobile, landline, phone. These are, we can even see the person we are talking to by calling the internet, FaceTime, Skype, etc. Early man used signal language. Many years later, after writing developed, couriers, pigeons were used. Messengers also carried letters and messages on foot. But these methods took very long and were often not reliable. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Listen children, once again, the phone also invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Mass communication, televisions, radios, newspapers, and magazines are also popular means of mass communication. They reach thousands of people at the same time. These are known as mass media. Nowadays, we are sending emails, means electronic mails. This is the quickest way to send a letter, mail. It also saves paper. In olden days, early man used signal language. Many years later, after writing developed, courier, pigeons were used. Messengers also carried letters and messages on foot, like pigeons. But this method took very long and were often not reliable. Then the postal system developed. Letters, England letters, post box, postman, etc. On my fingertips. To transport means to take people and things from one place to another. The vehicles used for this purpose are known as means of transport. The means of transport we use depends upon the distance we are traveling, the money we can spend, how much time we have, and where the place is located. Human beings are social animals. We have to communicate our thoughts, feelings, ideas, news, etc. with each other. Early man communicated using signal language. Now we have telephones, mobiles, emails, etc. as quick and efficient modes of communication. Radio, television, newspaper, and magazines are mass communication, means mass media, as they can communicate to thousands of people all over the world at the same time. Remember once again, good children do not break rules. Rules are good for all of us. Thank you everyone for watching.